Yes sir, what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, bruh, like I'm gonna show you how to make a catchy trap type beat, man, in flstudiomobile. Yo man, shout out to my fans, shout out to the people that are with me. Let's grow together, guys. Shout out to everybody that is new to the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah man, let's make this trap beat. So this beat is fire, man. So I'm gonna show you how I made it from like everything, all details. And if you enjoy this type of beats or this type of tutorials, then let's reach 1K, man. Subscribe to my channel, or else I will make more beats from scratch in the upcoming videos, as long as you subscribe and then you hit the notification bell for me, then everything will be dope, man. Without wasting any further time, let's get straight to the beat. Yes sir, man, like since my previous video was about the flstudiomobile new update, so I lost some of my files in here because I didn't save the zip files, but now it's updated. We can save the zip files. So let me just add an instrument like keys, piano keys, so that we can start this beat, man. So I used the G sharp Iwato and 140 BPM, man. So yeah, man, whenever you add a keyboard, you need to make sure you cut the high frequency, the low frequency, which is the bass. And the trick here, when you want to use the filter, FX filter, is that you will use automation clip. Okay, I'm gonna show you in a second. Yes sir, unfortunately we've come to the end of the video, man. I hope you guys learned something in this tutorial, especially my mastering skills. Yeah man, this beat is fire. So if you're a rapper, I can send you this beat for free, man. I feel like sending someone a beat for free, but if you're a producer, we can work on some loops, bruh. Thank you for watching. Let's go.